In this video, I'll be going over my mid-month income report for December 2023. This includes KDP, YouTube, and Etsy. First, let's get started with my KDP ads. I actually have not been running ads so far for December 2023 on KDP. I haven't run ads since August 2023 on KDP. And I don't do any other sort of ads or social media campaigns or anything like that right now. So this is my current lifetime range for ads, and I'm just showing that for transparency. And moving over to my orders, so this is for December 1st through 16th, 2023. Currently have 269 booked on my dashboard, 107 units ordered. I'm very happy with how December is going so far. I have had an upward trend earlier in the year for sales, and then it sort of started going back down for sales, and now I feel like I'm hopefully going back up if this trend continues. So I've had some pretty high order days for me. I've had some, it looks like I've had one day at 9 over here on the 3rd, and then I think the December 13th is 11, and it's been pretty consistent around 6 or so orders. The 12th was lower than the rest at 3, but I'm definitely not complaining. I'm very, very happy with how this is going so far. And I'll also show you my royalties for the first half of the month. There are 31 days in December, so I did choose the 16th, so it's a little more than halfway through the month. But first, this video is sponsored by 100 Covers. So if you're looking for someone to create a cover for you, or you're struggling with your own design, then I highly recommend checking them out. There is so much information on their page. So if you have any questions, it's most likely going to be answered in here, or you can always reach out to them. They have been very, very responsive and amazing to work with. So I highly recommend reaching out in case you have any other questions that aren't answered or concerns or anything like that. Here are just some examples of some covers that they've created. They have a very large portfolio, and all of these are incredibly well done. Here are some of their best sellers as well. And they can do all different types of books. So I just definitely recommend reaching out to them if you're interested in any of that. Here are some of their services. Let me scroll down to their packages. They have the ebook pack, the print pack, and then the plus pack. So this goes over everything that each pack offers. And if you select buy now, I actually have a discount code for you. So if you're just trying to figure out if you want to try them out or not, and then I recommend using this code because this will help save you some money, and you'll get to use their service and get the cover that you're looking for. So this takes off about 30%, and that can definitely save a good amount of money. This is $60 right off the bat here, and I know we're all just trying to make money here, so I think that's incredibly affordable, especially because some people charge a lot more money for covers. So definitely reach out to them, see if they're a good fit in getting you the cover that you're looking for, and I definitely recommend at least checking out their website. So moving over to my royalties for December 1st through 16th, 2023 is $239.69. So I'm very happy about this so far. Sorry, I just lost my train of thought for a second there. If I double this, then I would be around $450 to $480 for the month, which would be awesome. So I'm really hoping that my sales continue on this path or continue to go up. So every day it's been slightly different. On average, I've been around like $10 to $15 every day. I have a few days that are higher, some are lower. Like the 1st is below 10 and the 12th is below 10. And then I have the 13th, which is over $20, and the 16th, which is over $20, and then the 3rd is almost at $20. So every day is definitely varying. I will say in my top 10 right now for orders and royalties, I have one sketchbook, and then I have one coupon book. And the coupon book normally sells well around this time of year, I think because people buy them for Christmas presents or whichever holiday that people are celebrating around this time of year. But I do think majority of them are Christmas sales, but I could be wrong on that. But I'm pretty sure that's why the coupon book tends to do well here. I do sell a few throughout the year, maybe for birthdays or other occasions. And then the sketchbook tends to just sell occasionally as well. However, I did notice an upsale of them this year, so that may also be because of Christmas and because of the holidays that everybody celebrates. And then the rest are all scrapbook paper in my top 10. So moving over to YouTube analytics, I'm currently at 9.4k views. This is for the 1st through the 16th, again, 2023, 385.1 watch time, 96 subscribers, and $95.43. I am so thankful and so happy that we're finally over 5,000 subscribers. That is just wild to me. When I first started this channel, I did not even really think that was possible. So I'm so grateful, so thankful, and I really appreciate all of you so much. And then for videos published, I haven't been as active as I want to be, but I've been starting to get into a routine and figuring out how to be more active on my social media accounts, because I really, really want to be able to turn this into a full-time income. So I'm working on a few very exciting things. I just launched a brand new website where I offer a free KDP book guide in case you're interested in that. It's pretty much a checklist. So if you published your book and you're not getting sales, or you just want to check things over, you can go ahead and get that for free on my website and sign up for my email list, which you can opt out of at any time. And then I'm also offering one-on-one business coaching, which I'm really excited about. I can offer that for like book publishing or YouTube. I'm not as confident in Etsy as I'm still learning, so I'm not sure I would recommend it myself for that right now. But there's a bunch of different topics that I feel I could definitely be helpful with coaching on. So if you're looking for that one-on-one business coaching, then please go ahead and check out my website. I'll have it in the description link below. So for YouTube analytics, to get back to this, I am extremely happy with this. As long as I'm making over $100, so I get paid out every month from YouTube, I'm happy with it. I would love to get this to at least $500 a month consistently. I'm not quite there yet, but that's okay. Scrolling down here, my RPM right now is $13.32 on average. And the past few months, I've made over $200, which I am thrilled about. So far, I'm not looking to be in $200. I'm really hoping to get my income up so I can get there. I'm more around the high 100s, like 180, 190 range right now. But we'll see what happens. And then my top earning content is a realistic first year of Amazon KDP, resize Amazon KDP cover, income report for November, how to start KDP in 2023, and the new way to get suspended on KDP. And then this just goes over some of the different ways money is coming in, mostly from watch page ads. I also have one member right now, which I greatly appreciate. Have a member. If you're interested in supporting my channel and just help me out, then please go ahead and check that out as well. I'm hoping to add more perks soon, but right now I'm pretty limited in the time I have to work on these businesses while also working a full-time job, relationships, sports, everything like that. So right now it's basically you just get priority replies, and then you're supporting my content and my channel. And at some point I'd love to add some more perks, shorts feeds, and then I probably have some from premium as well. It just usually doesn't show up unless I hit see more. And then moving over to Etsy, this one will be pretty short. It looks like it actually did the range incorrectly, but it looks like November 30th was 0, so that's okay. We won't worry about it. And there were 30 days in November, so this total should be accurate for December. So there were 30 visits so far for December 1st through 16th, 2023 on Etsy. I had 0 for the 30th, so we're not going to count that. And I haven't made any sales yet, but that's fine. I don't really do a lot on Etsy. I currently have 5 digital download products. They're digital papers, and sometimes they sell, sometimes they don't, and that's fine because I don't really do a lot of time with it. So it's basically passive income at this point if anything does sell. And it doesn't cost me to have them up there because I have a lot of free listings that I got from a referral, I think, or since I signed up using somebody's referral link. I'm not entirely sure, but I think I get a good chunk from that, and then maybe from another referral. But I'm happy with that. And that's how it's going so far for these 3 income streams. I also have some other income streams like brand deals, affiliate incomes, and things like that. But I really hope this video was helpful, and I hope it was inspiring. And please know that it has taken me a long time to build up these income streams, and these numbers may seem small to some people, they may seem large, everybody's different. To me, this is incredibly helpful. This is helping me pay my bills, as my income hasn't been that steady this year with being unemployed twice, and it has been just a roller coaster lately. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. I'd love to know how December is going for you so far. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video.